Hi class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 14c, exercise 6.2 coordinate geometry, class 9 OPT mathematics. Here the question is, a right angle triangle has the vertices 1 1 and 1 comma 7 and 7 comma 1. Prove that the midpoint of the hypotenuse lies at equal distance from each of its vertices. So solution, let A 1 comma 1, B 1 comma 7 and C 7 comma 1 are the vertices of right angle, are the vertices of right angle triangle, right angled triangle. Okay. Now find the distance of AB. So AB, here AB is equal to AB is equal to root under AB. Okay, AB means what? 1 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square is equal to, here is 1 minus 1 is 0 square plus, this is how much? 1 minus 7 will be minus 6 whole square. So this is equal to, बेटा सब्जेक्ट कैमरा को छोड़ देते, देखिए तो कैमरा घुमा देलके रे कथी कइले तू आए? Okay, welcome back. Here is 0 square will be 0 plus minus 6 square will be 30. You can write here 36. That means this is how much? 0 plus 36, 36. So this is what? This is just 6 only. Okay, root 6 will be, this is 6 unit. Okay, there is not given any. So this is 6 units. Now here AB. Now AB, because 3 points are there, okay, so to find 3 points are there in AB and BC, okay. Now I'll find BC. BC is equal to BC distance, okay, 1 minus 7 whole square plus 7 minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 7 means minus 6 whole square plus 7 minus 1 will be what? 6 square. So this is 6 6 ja 36 plus 6 6 ja 36. This is how much? 2 into 36. So this is 6 will be out and this root 2 will be, okay, inside 2. Why? Because 6 6 6 square. Okay, so this is units. BC, AB, BC, now CA, AC. So AC. Now AC means 1 minus 7, okay, AC. 1 minus 7 whole square, 1 minus 7 whole square and plus 1 minus 1 whole square. 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to, this is how much? 1 minus 7 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 1 0 square. So minus 6 square is 36, because minus is plus, okay, so 36 plus 0 square 0, so this is how much? 36. But 36 is what? Root 36 means 6 units. We got 6 units and this we got 6 root 2. And since the question tells that these are the points of the right angle triangle, so here the longest side, which is the longest side? This is the longest side here, BC is the longest here the longest, here the longest side is which is BC is longest, okay? This is 6, but this is more than 6, so this is the longest side. Is 6 root is, here the longest side is BC. Hence BC is a hypotenuse. Hence BC is a hypotenuse, okay? Now we can draw the right angle triangle. Triangles. BC is hypotenuse means suppose this is our right angle triangle, okay? This is B and this is, this is B and this is our C. This is right 90 degrees. So this is our hypotenuse. Then obviously this is A. Okay, A. That means this is the triangle right angle at what? Right angled at A. So now all the points we know now. A point is how much there? A point is 1, 1, 1, B is here 1, 7, and C is here 7, 1. Now here suppose this is our midpoint. Prove that the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Suppose the midpoint, this is our M midpoint. Okay, M is the midpoint. Midpoint means what? This must be equal to what? This. This is our midpoint. So now if I join this line here like this, now we have to prove that, okay, AM distance is equal to BM is equal to CM distance we have to prove. This is the things we have to prove. Then we know that BC is the hypotenuse. Now distance of the, okay, here the longest side is BC, hence BC is the hypotenuse. And now midpoint, okay, prove that the midpoint of the and M is the midpoint. Okay, this is how we have written from the figure. Okay, now distance of or midpoints. Okay, midpoints. Now right here, midpoint of the hypotenuse. Midpoints of BC. BC is the hypotenuse. So midpoint of hypotenuse BC. Okay, midpoint of BC. Midpoint of hypotenuse BC is equal to, okay, this is M. Okay, M point. So suppose this is M point. Okay, so what is M point here? 1 plus 7 by 2 comma 7 plus 1 by 2. This is equal to how much? M point is 7, 1, 8 by 2. That means 8 by 2 is 4. And this is 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, 4. So we got here M 4 comma 4. This is our, okay, this point we got now 4 comma 1. Now distance of midpoint. Okay, distance of midpoint from okay, each of the, okay, from vertex A, is equal to, okay, so distance of midpoint, this midpoint from vertex A. Okay, I'll now find this distance. So what is this? We have how much? 4 comma 4. Okay, we got here how much? M 4 comma 4. Now distance between this is what? 4 root under 4 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. So distance of midpoint from vertex AM means what? AM. Okay, this is distance is what? AM. That is AM. AM is equal to what? Root under 4 minus 1 whole square. This is 3. Okay, 3 square plus 4 minus 1, 3 square. So this is here 3 square, 9 plus 9. That means this is here 2, 9. 9 to the 18. Okay, there is a message. Okay. Now here 2 into 9. 2 into 9 means 9 to the 18. Okay. So this is a square of what? 9. So this we can written was 3 outside. 9 means 3 square into 2. This is 3 outside and root 2 here. Okay. This much units. units. Okay. Now distance of midpoint we got here. Now distance of midpoint. Okay, distance of midpoint from vertex from A we got now from vertex B is equal to from this vertex, okay, midpoint distance, okay, distance of this midpoint from vertex. So this is, we can write here 1 minus 4 root under 1 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square 7 minus 4 whole square. So this is equal to, now we can write that distance of midpoint from vertex A. So this is what BM, that is AM, and this is now BM is equal to how much? 1 minus 4 is minus 3 square, so minus 3 square is 9 plus 7 minus 4 is 3 square, so 3 square is also what? 9. So this is equal to same here, how much? We can write here root under 2 into 9, that means 3 outside and root 2 here is units. There I want to tell you, okay, this is rough part for you. This is 1 minus 4 whole square equal what? Minus 3 square. So minus 3 square is 9 only, okay? Minus minus plus, okay? So that's why there is 9. Now distance of midpoint from vertex C is equal to, so distance of this from vertex C is what? From vertex C is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 1 whole square. So distance of midpoint from vertex C means what? MC or CM, okay? This is CM. That is CM is equal to root under 4 minus 7 is how much? Minus 3 square. So minus 3 square is what? 9. Plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 9 18, or we can add here 2 into 9. That means 9 is root under 9 means 3, and this is root 2 as it is. This is how much? This much units. Okay. Let me check the frame, okay. Can you see all that in frame? Okay, one line, okay, up to here we can write things. Okay, the answer will be here. Prove that the midpoint of the hypotenuse lies at equal distance from each of its vertices. Now we can see since okay, here since AM is equal to BM is equal to CM is equal to how much? 3 root 2 units. Now we can write thence, okay, therefore the midpoints of the hypotenuse lies. Therefore we can write now this language, okay. Therefore the midpoint here from here. Therefore the midpoints of the hypotenuse lie at equal distance from each of its vertices. You can write this language, okay. Therefore midpoint of the hypotenuse lies at equal distance from each of its vertices, from each of its vertices. Okay, this is proved. Can you see this in the frame? Yes, somewhat. Okay, camera I have to. Okay, now. So everything is clear here, and those okay जसले अब नेपालीमा यसको चाहिन्छ है उहाँको लागि अब नेपालीमा पनि एक्सप्लेन गर्छु के भनेको छ भने अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हैज दी भर्टिसेज है एउटा कुनै राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल छ राइट एंगल भने के 90 डिग्री वाला यो ट्रायंगल है कुनै ट्रायंगल छ अहिले हामीलाई थाहा छैन कुन ए कुन बी कुन सी छ है थाहा छैन हामीले के मान्दिने लेट ए बी 1,1 बी 17 एन्ड सी 7,1 आर दी भर्टिसेज अफ राइट एंगल मान्दियो है कुनै अब यो मानिसकेपछि अब हाम्रो कुरा के हो कि कुन चाहिँ हाम्रो हाइपोटेन्युस हो त हामीले निकाल्न के गर्ने पहिला हामीले एबी को डिस्टेंस एसी को डिस्टेंस र बीसी को डिस्टेंस निकाल्नुस् एबी बीसी र सीए है चाहे एसी एबी को निकाल्नु छ डिस्टेंस फर्मुला के हुन्छ एबी भनेको के हो 1 - 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 7 - 1 होल स्क्वायर है यो फर्मुलामा यो निकाल्नुस् त 6 युनिट आउँछ बीसी भनेको त्यस्तै फर्मुला लगाउनुस् है बीसी भनेको दुईटा पोइन्ट मान्नुस् यसले यो बीसी भनेको यो बीसी पोइन्ट छ 1 - 1 7 1 - 7 प्लस 7 - 1 होल स्क्वायर है गरेर निकाल्नुस् त्यस्तै एसी निकाल्नुस् अब एबी एसी बीसी निकालिसकेपछि यसमा लामो कुन हो त हेर त 6 युनिट यो ठुलो हो त यो कुन हो बीसी बीसी इज द लंगेस्ट हियर बीसी इज द लंगेस्ट साइड बीसी छ त बीसी लंगेस्ट ठुलो हाइपोटेन्युस भनेको ट्रायंगल को राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल को हाइपोटेन्युस भनेको सबभन्दा ठुलो हुन्छ त्यही भएर के भयो त बीसी ठुलो लाइन नै के हो बीसी इज द हाइपोटेन्युस भयो बीसी हाइपोटेन्युस अब बीसी हाइपोटेन्युस भयो भने के निकाल्नुस् त मिड पोइन्ट अफ बीसी निकाल्दिनुस् यो हाइपोटेन्युस को त मिड पोइन्ट कसरी निकाल्ने 1 + 7/2 प्लस अनि कामा 7 + 1/2 है 7 + 1/2 4 4 आउँछ 4 4 आइसकेपछि अब मिड पोइन्ट आयो अब यो डिस्टेंस अफ मिड पोइन्ट फ्रम भर्टेक्स ए यो डिस्टेंस अफ एम फ्रम भर्टेक्स ए डिस्टेंस अफ मिड पोइन्ट एम फ्रम भर्टेक्स बी र डिस्टेंस अफ एम फ्रम भर्टेक्स सी सेम ल्याङ्ग्वेज लेखिदिनुस् है र डिस्टेंस फर्मुला निकालिदिनुस् अरु केही छैन यसमा है अब सबैको डिस्टेंस बराबर आयो एम इज इक्वल टु के छ एम इज इक्वल टु बी एम इज इक्वल टु सीएम सेम छ नि त एम रुट यति सेम छ भ्यालु बीएम पनि सेमै छ यति नै र सीएम पनि सेमै छ त सेम युनिट भनेको के हो त दूरी सेम रहेछ है यसको डिस्टेंस के हो मिड पोइन्ट अफ द हाइपोटेन्युस लाइज एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस फ्रम इच अफ द भर्टेक्स यो मिड पोइन्ट जुन छ नि हाइपोटेन्युसको यो यहाँबाट यति यो डिस्टेंस र यो यहाँबाट यो डिस्टेंस र यो यहाँबाट डिस्टेंस है जति पनि भर्टेक्स छ तीनटैपट्टिबाट इक्वल डिस्टेंसमा छ है ओके कीप वाचिङ र कुनै अब डाउट छ भने है कमेन्टमा राख्नु छैन डाउट भने मजाले प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुस् एसईई मा राम्रो मार्क ल्याएर मलाई पुनः धन्यवाद दिन आउनु होला कमेन्ट बक्समा कीप वाचिङ कीप सपोर्टिङ सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियोज राधे राधे जय नेपाल जब पढ्छ नेपाल तब बढ्छ नेपाल जय श्री कृष्ण